What's up, everybody? This is Steve with the MrBigKid channel and the Gaucho Q. So recently, yesterday from when I'm filming this right now, I posted a video on a meatloaf challenge. Now, of course, we're gonna put our money where our mouth is, and we're gonna go ahead and make a meatloaf ourselves. The difference is we're not gonna actually enter it for the competition because that's for you guys to play. Anyways, this is what we're gonna be doing for our ingredients. So let's check it out. We've got a pound of Kobe beef. We've got a pound of ground lamb and a pound of fresh pork, and that's to keep it kind of tender and all that. What we're also going to do is we're going to add a little bit of the ricotta cheese inside the meatloaf, as well as Monterey Jack. Now, the difference is we're going to be using homemade barbecue sauce on this, which that includes Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey. That's right, we're going to be adding Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey to our barbecue sauce that we make, that we are going to be putting between the layers of the meatloaf. So let's get started. Let's construct this. Oh, wait a second. Wait. Look what Jenna did. Jenna made breadcrumbs out of sourdough bread. The bread was not that good. That's some of the nicest looking breadcrumbs I've ever seen, Jenna. We're going to be using those breadcrumbs too. Jenna's making a homemade macaroni and cheese to go with it, and a homemade cheese sauce. But let's get started. Let's build the meatloaf. And to finish it off, we're going to be cooking it on the Pit Boss 820 pellet grill for a little smoky enhancement. So the first thing we want to do is prepare the vegetables, and I totally forgot to mention we have vegetables. So we're going to be adding some diced up onions, some chopped up garlic, and some diced up mushrooms. Did I call this onions? Oh. And diced up mushrooms. So let's prep the vegetables first, and then we're going to open the meat, mix it all together and season it, and then mix it all together into a loaf of meat. Let's get started. All right. Look at this. We got the whole family here. We got Benjamin, we got me, we got Mom over there, and we got our little stinky dog. Right, Barrett? Yeah, you waiting for something to fall? You better get to put in the kitchen. Here we have a saucepan, and we're going to be making some delicious barbecue sauce. Fireball Cinnamon Whiskey sauce. Next, we're going to be dumping some ketchup in here just to get some thickness. Ketchup. Next, we're going to add some red wine vinegar. We're going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar. Now, to really sweeten things up, we're going to be using this brown sugar right here. Then we're going to take the spoon and we're just going to kind of stir it around and get it all mixed in there. And we're going to caramelize all that ketchup and brown sugar with the open flame. And that's our sauce. So here's my vision. I want to do a layer of sauce on the bottom first, and then I'm going to use a layer of meat And then a layer of cheese, a layer of sauce, layer of meat, layer of cheese, sauce, and then top it with a layer of meat, and then sauce. So we want the cheese to be inside the meatloaf as layers. I don't want to mix it with the meat. Rather, I would have it in a layer of cheese. Let's try it out. Alright, so we're gonna crank this up just to turn it on. Open the lid. Now let's close the sear plate. We are almost up to temperature. Let's get this dude on the grill. Go. So I think we're done. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, look how good that looks. Nice and crispy on top. Oh yeah, look at that. You got some cheese kind of bubbling out in the middle right there. The meat's nice and dense like a meatloaf should be. Doesn't look too flaky. Not bad. Whoop, getting the camera foggy.